Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to rename the sheets on your Google Sheets or Google Excel or Google Spreadsheet on your mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to rename the sheet in Google Sheet Mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just click on this plus symbol and click on new spreadsheet option, and now I just going to add 3 4 to 5 sheets. I just want to rename every sheets. So how to rename it? So first of all, we just going to rename the first sheet. Click on the sheet, click on the drop menu, and you will find an option called rename. Just click this and you can type as what the sheet was. It's about date, and here rename it as day, and just rename it as data, like that. This is how you just rename. Just click on the sheet, click on this menu, and you will find an option called rename. Just click this and just change the name that what you want and click OK. So I think this video and you can also rename it again. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.